What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to share with you how you can set up a PayPal account that can send and receive money without any restriction. If you're interested in getting a PayPal account that can send and receive money without any restriction and from any currency in the world, either to receive your money through the UK, Australia, Canada, any country of your choice. As you are seeing here, I can receive money from my PayPal main balance without the need of a bank account and withdraw it direct to my MTN mobile money. So if you are interested in getting a PayPal account, the first thing you're gonna do is to go over to your App Store or your Play Store, and I'm going to search the application named Zay. So you are going to search for this application. You are going to download this application and install and copy the application. So I'm going to open the application. As you are seeing, this is my number. So if you are interested in getting a number, the first thing you're gonna do is to go over here. You're going to click on the plus section. Here you're going to select the country where you want to set up the PayPal account. So there's just few countries where PayPal is available, like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, France, Poland, Sweden. In Cameroon, Nigeria, or certain countries in other countries in Africa, you cannot use PayPal. So if you're interested in getting a PayPal account, what you're going to do is to say one of the countries where PayPal is available and buy the phone number from that country. So for my own, I'm going to use the UK. I'm going to click select a country, select a number, automatic design. Here I'm going to enter the name here. And I'm going to click on pay with account balance. Since I already got the number, I don't need to purchase the number again. So as you are seeing, this is my number. What I'm going to do is to go over to my browser, and the next thing you're going to do after you're on your browser is to click on the three horizontal line on your iPhone, and you're going to put your navigation on private mode if you are using an iPhone. The same thing if you are using a Android phone. So you are going to turn your navigation private mode before doing anything. This is because you don't want PayPal to detect exactly where you are setting up your PayPal account. If you don't put your navigation private mode, your PayPal account is going to go on limit. So what you're going to do right now is to click on the new encounter tab, and you are going to go over to paypal.com. Once you're on PayPal, what you're going to do is to click on connection. Here you are going to click on sign up. Here you are going to enter the email you are going to use to set up your PayPal account. You are going to select here United Kingdom. Here you are going to enter the email. Connect. Here you are going to enter the phone number. And you are going to click on next. So once you do this, you are going to receive a verification code on your Zay account. So what you're going to do is to go back to your Zay account. Here you are going to enter any postcode. So you are going to search for a fake postcode. So what you're going to do is you go over to your navigation, and you're going to put the UK fake postcode. I'm going to say go over to this website, fake address generator. We are going to click here. So while we are interested, just the postal code. So we are going to choose the postal code from any position, any location. So I'm going to select this one. Not now. I have successfully created your PayPal account where you can actually send and receive money without any restriction. In my next tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you'll be able to withdraw your funds direct from your PayPal account to your main balance, to your MTN mobile money, Orange Money, M-Pesa, any country where you are. You can use PayPal and you want to transfer your funds to that payment detail. I'm going to show you the full step guide how you can do that using the PayPal account. So if you have loved the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friend, because if you find it helpful, that may also help others.